Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another mobile app video, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock a free stock using the Robinhood app. Okay, so here we are in the Robinhood Investing mobile app. I'm going to show you how to unlock a free stock. Really, all you need to do is sign up using the link in the description. And after you sign up, both of us will unlock one free stock. And I'm going to show you how to open that in a second. But once you have the app, you'll see this button in the top right corner that says free stock, and you can tap on that. Then you can tap on the top box and it's going to tell you all about this promotion. So 100% chance you get a free stock, and you can also get a stock that is valued up to $500. I think that's about a 1 in 250 chance. You can read through the details here if you'd like to. So just sign up using the link in the description. Also, once you're signed up, you'll be able to invite other people and get more free stocks as well. But once you've signed up, you'll see this exact thing that I'm showing right here. It will say your free stock is available right here in the middle with this little gift box. Then all you need to do is tap on that. It's going to give you three question marks. You basically just choose one of these three boxes. I always choose the middle one. So you can tap on that, and then you just want to swipe your finger. It's going to reveal what you get. So for this one, I got ADT, and it's worth $4.41. You can tap done there. You can see I got that stock right away. My portfolio increased about $4.41, whatever that was. Scroll down and it'll show your stocks right here. So these are the 4 stocks that I currently own. You can tap on ADT. Then you can scroll down and read all about what this stock is. So ADT is a security company, I believe. And then once you have the stock, you can tap on it, whatever stock it is. And after 3 days, you should be able to sell the stock. So I got this one for free, Marathon Oil. It's worth $3.49. I can tap on trade. If I want to sell this, I just tap on sell, type in 1 share, tap review, and swipe up. And then tap done. So just like that, I sold my Marathon Oil stock. You can see it's no longer there in my portfolio. And I believe after about 3 days, that stock clears. And then I'll have that $3.49 available in my buying power. And then once it's there, I can cash it out, send it back to my bank account, and do whatever I want with it. So there you have it. That's how to unlock one free stock up to $500. I haven't been able to unlock any that are that expensive yet, but I have gotten some nice $10 stock, stuff like that. If we scroll down, we can see I got this Snapchat one for free. That's worth $12.48, so that's nice. Probably gonna hold on to this one for a long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out some of the other videos on the channel for how-tos on the Robinhood app, Cash app, things like that, and other ways to make free money using mobile apps. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, you might well.